Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can change chat setting in Among Us. So it's pretty simple. Now there's two ways to change chat setting. The first way is this. You want to go on settings, and from inside setting you can see the option called censor chat. Now this is the first setting. If you want to blur rough words, then you can make sure this is on. If this is on, if somebody decides to write rough word, it's going to blur it. But if you make sure it's off, then whoever writes rough word, you will be clearly able to see it. So it depends if you want to show the word or not. So that's the first setting. The second setting is you want to click on play, click on online, and click on host. Now remember, you can only change chat setting if you are the host of the game. And remember, you can only change the chat setting before the game is created. If you create the game, you cannot change the chat setting. You need to close the game and start a new game or host a new game, then only you can change the chat setting. Now since I haven't hosted a game yet, over here where it says chat type, I can change the setting. I can choose free chat or I can choose quick chat only. Now whichever chat option you like from this setting, you can choose that and click and confirm. Once you do that, your game will be started with whatever chat type you have selected over here. And once it starts, you have basically done it. That is basically how we guys can change chat setting on Among Us. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.